Hi there. It's Carol Townsend from Right Advice. I wanted to pop in real quick today and just give you a little bit of an update on Right Advice, what we've got going on over there. New workshops published weekly. This week we put up a couple that are two of my favorites. One is about voice in writing. Love that topic. Love to discuss it. Love to teach it. Love to see it click with students. The other one that's new that's up there now is research. Research is a critical part of any book that you write, no matter what type of book you're writing, because let's face it, folks, none of us knows everything about everything. And no matter what you're writing about, you must write from a place of authority, from a place of knowledge. So those are two of the new ones that are up. And I also want to point out that the point of view workshop is being used quite a bit. And I'm thrilled because it can be a complicated discussion. And the way that we've presented it on Right Advice is, I think, easily understood and followed. And it helps writers understand that you must decide point of view early on before you ever put a word to a page, and you must be consistent with it. And we discuss why. And yes, we discuss all of the different points of view from which you can tell your story. So I hope you'll jump over and check it out. Listen, you have unlimited access to all of the workshops, all of the reference materials for $29 a month. And if you sign up for a month and you say, you know what, this is not for me, or if you're a genius and you happen to blow through all the workshops in a month, there is no commitment. But I guarantee you, if you go over there, if you check it out, even for just a month, it's time very well spent. It is money very well spent. This is a great bargain. It's for early subscribers to Right Advice. These workshops I've taught for 10 years. They cost a lot more than $29 a month. So I love being able to offer them on such a wide scale. So go over and check out just the ones we've added this week. There are several more that have been up there for a few weeks now, and some wonderful reference materials and tools in the reference library. So happy Friday, happy writing, and I'll see you soon.